This product is something my husband bought for our garden setup, and it's a 12-volt 7Ah lithium LiFePO4 deep cycle battery. We're using it as part of a small solar powered system, and it's designed for applications, like I said, solar setups, lighting, ride-on toys, fish finders, and other 12V equipment. One thing that stands out is that it's a lithium ion phosphate battery, which is known for longer cycle life compared to traditional lead acid batteries. This one is rated for over 2,000 cycles, and it has a built-in 8A BMS, which helps manage charging and overall battery protection. For our purposes, it's compact and lightweight, which makes placement really easy in a garden environment. It's really meant for smaller 12-volt systems rather than large appliances, so it works really well in a contained off-grid setup. If you're building a small solar or 12-volt powered system and you want a rechargeable lithium option, this is a practical battery to look into.